Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix eFootball 2027 download failed error. Make sure you have sufficient storage space on your device and a stable network connection before re-attempting the download. So if you're getting this error while downloading the or installing the eFootball 2027 mobile, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. So first of all, make sure that your device has at least 4 to 5 GB of free internal space to safely bypass this error. So what you can do, you can delete unused apps, long videos or temporary files from your device, and then you can retry to download it and check. Next solution is to reset the Google Play Store. So tap and hold the Play Store app icon, then tap on app info, then tap on storage usage, then tap on clear cache and confirm it, then again tap on clear data and confirm it. And then you can go ahead, launch the Play Store and then log in back into your Gmail account if asked, and then try downloading the game. Next solution is to clear football app data. So tap and hold the eFootball app icon, then tap on app info. Now first tap on force stop and confirm it, then tap on storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, and then go back, try to download the game data and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to switch to a stable Wi-Fi connection. So if you're connected to mobile data and you're trying to download the game, then you can switch to Wi-Fi and then check if your problem is solved or not. You can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi network which have a stable Wi-Fi connection and then check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you can connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it. And then you can install any VPN of a choice from the Play Store, such as Proton VPN, Ninja VPN, Brave VPN, VPN Windscribe. Then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, try to download the game data and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily fix download failed. Make sure you have sufficient storage space on your device and a stable network connection before re-attempting the download. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.